Okay, friends, let's start with the new question. The question says true discount on the sum due 8 months hence at 12% per annum is rupees 560. Find the sum due and the present worth of the bill. Let's quickly begin with the solution. Now, if you observe the question carefully, we are given with true discount, correct? किसी sum due का 8 months के लिए 12% के हिसाब से ट्रू डिस्काउंट कितना होता है 560. So TD is given as rupees 560 and we are also given with the duration of the bill as 8 months, that is N is given as 8 months, but these months must be converted into years, so 8 months will be 8 upon 12, that is 2 by 3 years, correct? And we are also given with rate of interest R as 12%. And come on, what we are asked to find? We are asked to find sum due and present worth. So SD and PW are to be calculated. Again, very easy question provided you know the formula. So let's have a look at the formula associated with this particular exercise. See, these are the 5 formulae associated with this exercise, correct? Now, as far as this particular question is concerned, we are given with TD, N and R and we have to find SD and PW. Now you guys tell me which formula is most appropriate to calculate SD and PW. Yes, you are absolutely right. Formula number 1 and formula number 2. Correct? अब ये जो formula number 1 है, इसको अगर हम use करें, तो we are given with TD, N and R. So easily we can calculate PW. And once we get PW using this formula SD का, we can easily calculate the value of sum due or SD. So formula number 1 and formula number 2 are to be used one by one to get the respective values, correct? So let's begin with formula number 1, that is TD equals to PW into N into R upon 100. Now TD is given as 560, PW unknown है, N is 2 by 3, R is 12%, 12 upon 100, correct? हमने सिर्फ इसमें values को substitute कर दिया है. Now further simplifying this, we get 560 equals to PW into 2 by 25. इनको solve करेंगे तो ये बन जाएगा 2 upon 25. Now we have to find present worth. तो इस पूरी equation को अगर हम rearrange करें तो we get PW equals to 560 multiplied by 25 whole divided by 2, correct? And simplifying this further, we get present worth value as rupees 7,000. So first part of the question is done. Now we are also supposed to find value of SD. Now come on, which formula? As we already discussed, this formula to be used to get sum due or SD. So let's use it. Let's note it down. SD is PW plus TD. So it will be 7,000. Correct? PW हमने 7,000 अभी just calculate किया है and TD was already given as 560. So it will be 7,000 plus 560, which eventually gives us the value of sum due as rupees 7,560. Hope you understood this. Thank you very much.